Welcome to an exciting venture into the world of entrepreneurial possibilities, the vending machine business. This business model is more than just a slot and go. It's a ticket to financial freedom, with a potential to rake in substantial profits. Imagine a business that works for you round the clock, even when you're catching up on some much-needed sleep or spending quality time with your loved ones. That's the power of a vending machine business. It's not just about selling snacks and drinks. It's about providing convenience and meeting the needs of consumers, wherever they may be. The vending machine business offers flexibility. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and choose your own locations. Plus, it's a business that's always in demand, making it a profitable venture. Eager to start? Let's dive right into it. A successful business starts with understanding the market. Diving into the vending machine business isn't exempt from this golden rule. It's all about understanding what your potential customers want and where they want it. Market research isn't just a fancy term. It's the compass that guides your entrepreneurial ship. It's about identifying your target customers. Are they office workers looking for a quick snack, or students needing a caffeine fix? Next, we have popular products. Sure, everyone loves a bag of chips, but what about healthy snack options? Or perhaps in a tech park, energy drinks might be the hot sellers. It's crucial to keep a pulse on customer preferences. Lastly, location, location, location. A vending machine in a busy office building might fare better than one in a sleepy residential area. Optimal locations are those with high foot traffic and a clear need for convenient refreshments. With a good grip on market dynamics, you're ready for the next step. Now, you need to make your business official by forming an LLC. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is an essential step in launching any business, including a vending machine venture. But why is this so? Well, there are two main reasons: liability protection and tax benefits. Let's start with liability protection. When you form an LLC, you create a separate legal entity. This means that if your business ever faces legal issues or debts, your personal assets, like your home and savings, are shielded from those liabilities. In other words, an LLC provides a protective barrier between your business and personal life. Now, on to the tax benefits. An LLC is considered a pass-through entity for tax purposes. This means that the profits of the business pass through to the owners, who report them on their individual tax returns. The advantage? You avoid the double taxation that corporations face. Plus, you may also qualify for certain deductions and credits, potentially saving you a significant amount of money. But how do you form an LLC? It's simpler than you might think. While the process can vary slightly depending on your state, generally, you'll need to choose a unique name for your business, file articles of organization, and pay a filing fee. One company that can help streamline this process is Tailor Brands. They offer an easy-to-use service to help you form your LLC, ensuring that all the necessary paperwork is filed correctly. They can even help you with ongoing compliance requirements, freeing up more of your time to focus on growing your business. Remember, forming an LLC isn't just about paperwork. It's about protecting yourself, your assets, and your dream of owning a successful vending machine business. So, take the time to do it right. With your LLC set up, you're one step closer to launching your vending machine business. Next, you'll need an employer identification number, or EIN. This 9-digit number is like a social security number for your business. It's used by the Internal Revenue Service to identify taxpayers that are required to file various business tax returns. Obtaining an EIN is a fairly straightforward process. It involves filling out an online form on the IRS website. The form will ask you for details about your business, such as its name, location, and the nature of its operations. Once you submit the form, you will be issued your EIN instantly. However, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, consider using a service like Tailor Brands. They'll handle the paperwork for you and ensure everything is done correctly. This way, you can focus on the more exciting aspects of starting your vending machine business. Remember, your EIN is an important part of your business identity. Keep it safe and secure. With your EIN in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step. It's time to get your hands on some vending machines and stock them up. Vending machines come in a myriad of shapes, sizes, and functionalities. Broadly speaking, there are 3 types to consider: snack vending machines, soda vending machines, and combination vending machines. Snack machines are perfect for chips, candy, and other light bites. Soda machines, as the name implies, dispense a variety of beverages. Combination machines are the all-rounders of the vending world, offering both snacks and drinks. You can purchase your vending machines from a variety of places: manufacturers, online marketplaces, and even local businesses that are closing down are all potential sources. When purchasing, keep an eye out for machines with modern payment options like credit card readers and mobile payment compatibility. This will ensure your machines are accessible to as many potential customers as possible. Now, on to stocking your vending machines. This is where you'll need to put on your marketer's cap and think about your target audience. If your machine is in a gym, you might want to stock up on protein bars, sports drinks, and healthy snacks. On the other hand, if it's in a college dorm, you might find more success with soda, chips, and chocolate bars. The key is to understand your customers and cater to their tastes and needs. A pro tip: always keep an eye on your inventory. You don't want to miss out on sales because your machine ran out of the most popular items. Regularly check your stock levels and refill as needed. And don't forget to rotate your products occasionally. This keeps things fresh and can help you identify new trends and customer preferences. Remember, the quality of your machines and the products you stock can greatly affect your reputation. So invest wisely and choose your stock with care. With your machines ready to go, it's time to secure the perfect location. Securing the right locations for your vending machines is crucial. It's not just about finding a spot and setting up shop. It's a strategic process that requires careful planning and negotiation. Firstly, you'll need to identify prime locations. These are high-traffic areas where people are likely to need a quick snack or drink. Think along the lines of office buildings, schools, shopping centers, hospitals, and transportation hubs. The more foot traffic a location gets, the higher the potential for sales. But how do you secure these prime locations? It's all about networking and negotiation. Reach out to property managers, business owners, or school administrators. Explain the benefits of having a vending machine on their premises, such as providing a convenient service for their customers, employees, or students. Remember, you're not just asking for a favor, you're offering a service. Once you've piqued their interest, it's time to discuss contracts. These agreements should clearly outline the responsibilities of both parties. This includes the rental fee for the space, maintenance of the machine, and how the profits will be shared. It's advisable to get legal counsel to ensure all bases are covered and your interests are protected. After securing a location and signing the contract, it's time to install your vending machines. This might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. Most vending machine manufacturers offer installation services. They'll deliver the machine, set it up, and ensure it's in working order. If not, you might need to hire a professional installer. Either way, make sure you're present during installation to learn how the machine operates and how to troubleshoot any potential issues. Once the machine is installed, stock it with your chosen products. Regularly check the machine to ensure it's functioning properly and restock items as needed. Keep track of which items sell best so you can adjust your inventory accordingly. And there you have it. With your machines in place, you're officially in the vending machine business. Your journey doesn't end here though. It's now time to focus on maintaining your machines, managing your inventory, and growing your business. But remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and you've taken that step today. Congratulations! Now that your vending machine business is set up, it's time to attract customers. The key to a successful vending machine business isn't just about having the right products in the right locations. It's also about getting the word out there. Marketing and promotion are just as important in the vending machine business as they are in any other. You might be wondering, how do you market a vending machine? It's simple. Use social media, local advertising, and word of mouth to attract customers. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are excellent tools for promoting your business. Post regularly about your machines, their locations, and the products they carry. Local advertising can also be very effective. Consider placing ads in local newspapers, on community bulletin boards, or on local radio stations. And don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Encourage your customers to spread the word about your vending machine service. You can also offer promotions and discounts to attract new customers and retain existing ones. For example, you could offer a discount for the first purchase or a loyalty program where customers get a free product after a certain number of purchases. With a solid marketing strategy in place, your vending machine business is sure to thrive. Remember, the success of your business depends not just on the quality of your products, but also on how well you can attract and retain customers.